Ooh, it's Bob the Builder. Or should I say Barbie the Builder? Also because this is a curling iron, not a hammer, so I should probably stop flinging it around. But, anywho, what is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are getting a little bit construction DIY savvy. You guys know I love doing home decor makeovers. I've done like a billion other ones on my channel. So today I thought it'd be fun to try something that I saw on Pinterest a while ago, which is da-da-da-da-da, a glitter wall. The only thing in the world I like more than shoes is glitter. So I am so excited to try this project. So we are actually at my good friend Crystal's house. Crystal, where you is? Yo, 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 what's up? Ooh, the lighting in here is super weird, but your hair looks nice. Okay, there we go. The lighting's much better. But anyways, yes, this is my friend Crystal. We used to work together a million years ago before I did YouTube. And she is the only person who loves glitter as much as me, so she agreed to let me glitter her wall.
Yeah. Glitter everything.
Oh my god, wait, sis, show them. Woo! It's hard to see on the camera, but they're very glittery. So, we are just going to glitter up one of her walls. We've never done this. We don't really know what we're doing, but we're gonna see.
It's gonna be fabulous.
Stay tuned for a very extra DIY glitter wall. Recognize my DIY project in this? This is so funny. I didn't do this, but so cute. Also, all the marble, I died. So here we go. I guess I'll show you my outfit of the day, even though it doesn't really matter. Ta-da, here we go. We are wearing way too short for me overalls, very saucy. I told you guys I would wear these for a craft. And yeah, and I'm barefoot. Great. Okay. So here is the bathroom. This is the before. Ooh, we stand. Okay. This is the wall we are going to be DIYing. Ta-da! Oh, yes. Look at that. So boring. You can honestly see it better from behind me. So yeah, this is the wall. You can see it is just a plain bathroom wall. There's nothing special about it. So we're going to glitter it up and see if we can turn this bathroom from, actually she already made it kind of cute, but we're gonna go drab to fab. So we're gonna get started. Alrighty, so for this project, this is what we got. First of all, this is sticky contact paper. This is like my favorite thing in the whole world. I got this on Amazon. I love contact paper. It honestly is like the quickest, easiest, cheapest thing to transform your home. Like you guys saw me use the marble one, DIY marble countertops. I did the marble floors, which I actually didn't use the contact paper, but you totally can. My furniture makeover, literally just everything. So now's a great time to promo myself. Make sure you subscribe for more content. Wink, I can't wink, but anyways. Got the glitter contact paper here. Then also all we're gonna need, we've got some scissors and an X-Acto knife. You're also going to need a squeegee. I forgot to show that when I was filming this part, but yes, grab a shower squeegee. That is literally all that we got for this project. And of course, then you just need a wall and a friend. So let's see what we can do. Great.
Sparkle time.
Whoa! Okay, so first things first, we're going to take off the things on the wall so it is a clean wall. Like literally we just, you know, take everything off the wall. Oh, hi. We're gonna power tool these off the wall, but these obviously we can just, you know, put in a safe, secure location like the toilet seat.
Amber using power tools.
Watch out, boys. And me, I'm gonna like drill my fingers off. Okay. Alrighty, we're in business. Doing good. All right, so you can see the wall is nice and bare. We've got a little bit of like issues and stuff there, but it's okay because we are going to literally cover it. So let's cover it. Ah, yes, my child. I'm gonna be such a great mom. Not really. Ooh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so anyways, you can see when you kind of unwrap the paper, it basically looks like this. It's just like a big glittery piece of paper. And on the back here, you can see it just kind of peels off. And so this part is sticky. And that is what we're going to just go ahead and stick on the wall, sir. Yeah, let's test this puppy out. Test out the step stool because we're short as, well, you know what. And alrighty, kids. Safety first. Okay, so you can see we lined it up here with the ceiling and we just pressed that on here. And then we're gonna press it down like this. And you can see on this corner here, kind of has the paper. Then we're just gonna peel the paper down slowly and press it on as we go. Make sure you use the squeegee for this part because that is what's going to make it smooth and no bubbles. So you can see here, all we're doing is literally peeling the paper down as we go and squeegeeing it. Is that a word? Squeegeeing? But whatever. Squeegeeing it down as we go.
Dun da da! Piece by piece, slowly but surely, until it is all flat and absolutely perfection.
We're just gonna cut a little bit here at the bottom, and then we are going to X-Acto knife it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, kids, we're in business! Alrighty, so you can see we have the one glittery wall panel up, and now all we're going to have to do is do there, until the whole wall is glittery.
Then just repeat the steps as needed until the entirety of the wall is all covered.
1, 2, 3, time for the last one.
By the way, how funny is this? Even the squeegee is glittery. I love it!
So you can see on the end here, we went ahead and lined it up kind of like this because it wasn't exactly even, but we took the squeegee and we just kind of did it like this so it will be even across like that. Then we'll take the knife and we will just cut it down the sides like this.
Then once that is all trimmed up and good to go, we can go ahead and rub the squeegee over the paper again once more just to make sure it is fully secured onto the wall. And then you can see, drum roll please, da-na-na-na-na.
Finished glitter wall. Oh my god, how freaking cool does this look? I'm using the flash because it looks cooler in the flash, but oh my god. Y'all, look at how cool the wall looks. Oh my god, it looks literally amazing. Like you can see if I film from the back here, it looks so cool. You can kind of see the lines, especially on camera, but off camera you can barely see them, but you can see the wall literally looks so much better, so much cooler, and definitely glitter-tastic. Bum, 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 I want to live here now.
So good.
It looks so good. We nailed it. High five. So there you have you guys. That was the DIY glitter wall. I hope you guys love the easy, simple tutorial. Everything we used is linked below, so you guys can click that if you want to do an exact twinning. And on that note, thank you again for watching. Thank you, Crystal, for glittering your house. You're the best.
Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more fun things. And of course, check out Crystal too. I will link her below.
Crystal TAXOXO.
So you can see the rest of the bathroom makeover. And on that note, kisses till next time, my beautiful people. XO. That was coordinated. I loved it. So this is what we did with the extra glitter. It looks so good. We love a crystal fridge.
So you know when you leave, I'm gonna glitter my whole entire refrigerator now. You know this, right?
Oh yes, we stand.
It's like stuck to my hair.